Hello, React developers. Welcome. Are you struggling with the dreaded uncaught type error, cannot read properties of null, reading useRef error? Don't worry, you're not alone. This error is a common stumbling block when working with useRef in React. In this video, we will explore why this error happens and how to fix it. Let's dive in. The primary reason you encounter this error is that you're trying to access the .current property of a useRef before React has fully rendered the component and attached the ref to the DOM element. Think of it like trying to open a door before it's even been installed. The useRef hook returns an object with a .current property. Initially, this .current property is null. React then populates it with the DOM node or React component instance after the component is mounted. To avoid this error, you need to ensure you're only accessing .current after the component has mounted. How do we do that? One common solution is to use the useEffect hook. UseEffect runs after the component renders. This is the perfect place to access the useRef.current value. Inside the useEffect hook, you can safely interact with the referenced element. Remember to include an empty dependency array in your useEffect call if you only want the effect to run once after the initial render. Another cause of this error is conditional rendering. Suppose you only render the element associated with the useRef under certain conditions. In that case, the ref might not be attached when you try to access it. To fix this, ensure that the element is always rendered, even if it's initially hidden, or that you only attempt to access the ref when the element is actually in the DOM. You can do this by wrapping the code that accesses the useRef within a conditional statement that checks if the element exists. For example, if myref.current / access myref.current. Make sure that the component you are trying to access with the useRef has been rendered before trying to access its properties. A third, less common, reason is that you might have accidentally unmounted the component. When a component is unmounted, its refs are also cleared. If you then try to access a ref after the component has been unmounted, you'll get this error. Double-check your component's lifecycle and make sure you're not trying to access the ref at the wrong time. To sum up, that cannot read properties of null, reading useRef error typically occurs when accessing the .current property of a useRef before it's properly initialized, usually due to timing issues during rendering or conditional rendering. Use useEffect to access the ref after mounting. Check for the existence of the element before accessing the ref if using conditional rendering and verify the component is still mounted. By understanding these causes and solutions, you can confidently tackle this error and write more robust React code. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and leave a comment below. Consider checking out other React tutorials on this channel to support us. Happy coding!